How to fix SteamVR error 108. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you just want to search for graphics settings on your PC, and then you will search this list for Steam. Click on Steam here, and the GPU preference, you want to set this to high performance. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be searching for Steam yet again here, and we're going to right click, open file location. Then you want to click on Steam, right click, show more options. Right click on Steam, show more options, and go into properties. And here you will go into the compatibility tab and check these three options: compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. And the last thing that you have to do is open up Steam directly, go into your library, search for SteamVR, click on the gear icon, go into properties, go into installed files, and you just want to click on verify integrity of the tool files. This should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.